All right, guys, welcome back to HackerU Virtual Edition 2.0. This semester, HackerU is back yet again virtually, and we've prepared some fun events and fun talks that we hope you enjoy. We want to thank our team members and our teams for working tirelessly to bring you the best in-person hackathon experience in a virtual setting. To start off, we would like to thank our student organization partners, Wix, the Rutgers Quantitative Finance Club, the Rutgers University Cognitive Science Club, as well as Blueprint. So when you first log into your account on hackeru.org, you will be able to access the dashboard. Here, you'll see announcements, the schedule, and links to all the sites and services that you'll need for the hackathon. The first link, starting from the top left row right here, and the first button there, you will see is Dev Post. Here you'll find all the available project tracks as well as prizes. And this is also where you'll submit the project whenever you're ready. Next up is Slack, and here you'll be able to message your fellow hackers, teammates, and HackerU officials. After that is Mentor Queue. If you're running into an issue within your code, you need assistance, or you have any questions in general, you can click here and get paired up with an available mentor. Next up is our Twitch link. We will have a running stream of the schedule on at all times, and it will also signify when hacking officially ends and when judging officially starts. Next up is the YouTube stream, and that is where you are right now. We'll have some events and some tech talks that'll be streamed through YouTube. So keep an eye on your schedule and keep an eye on the announcements for when when they'll be available and for more information. And lastly is HackerU CTF, which I'll talk about in a little bit. So HackerU CTF is merely just a battle for hacker clout. HackerU CTF consists of a collection of security challenges, and completing a challenge gets you a flag in the form of a code. By entering the code on the site, you'll see how you stack up against on the leaderboard against your peers. Challenges can be related to several topics such as web security, crypto, reverse engineering, and more. And of course, the top scorer gets a prize. Some general rules for the hackathon. You must be registered on hackeru.org to submit a project through DevPost. The max team size is 4 people, and each member must have a DevPost account and be listed as a contributor on the project submission. And make sure your projects are of your own creation. Do not try to copy code and try to submit it as your own. And here's some quick information on your teams and submission logistics. During the judging period, the team must be available on Slack at all times to answer any questions that the judges might have for you. Make sure the project is submitted before 12 p.m. on Sunday. We will give you a window of 1 hour to submit the project, but just to be on the safer side, make sure you're done early and make sure you submit your project early to avoid any technical mistakes, any technical errors towards the end of the hackathon. Otherwise, your project will not be judged and it will just run out of time. And also, make sure you provide a link to the shared repository that you use and the Slack names of the team members on your submission. Also, when you're submitting the project, make sure you have a demo video of minimum of 2 minutes, maximum of 3 minutes, and select the appropriate track and answer the questions on the submissions page. And lastly, any hack that fails to meet any of the above requirements or the eligibility requirements will not be considered for a prize. So keep that in mind when you're submitting your hack at the end of the HackerU on Sunday. All right, so if you need help with your project or code, you can use Mentor Queue to match up with a mentor who can help. For general questions, you can use Slack to message any of our staff. We have the HackerU director tag in front of our names. And besides that, general information like schedule and announcements can be found both on Slack and on your dashboard. Also, we have a vlog and social media competition, so to say, Stay tuned on Slack for more information on that. But we have a competition going on for the best workspace or best coding rig, and winners will be chosen from both Instagram and Twitter. And just make sure to keep an eye on Slack for more information about other social media challenges and specifications about this best workspace and best coding rig. All right, guys. So I want to say good luck to you. Have fun coding, and I hope you enjoy your time here at HackerU. See ya.